Hi, Screen Editors. This week we're doing a character study on a short film, Donkey. I was going to do it on mine, but I decided to not do that. And so you can report on this and analyze the character development, storytelling techniques in Donkey and evaluate the use of the character arc. The character arc is essential. You're only writing the first act now for your own screenplay this semester, but you're going to have to think about how your character changes from page 1 to page 120 or 90, and these articles will help you to realize even a film like Being There, where the character doesn't change, everyone around him changes so profoundly that it seems like he did. And Peter Sellers goes through this sort of fundamental journey of realizations, even though he stays the same. So if you haven't seen that movie, you won't know what I'm talking about, but still. So these are the questions to always ask about character. Is the character different at the end of the film than he or she was at the beginning of the film? And I hope you say, of course, yes, after all he or she has went through. The other thing is, a tip, is to make your main character as broken as possible in the first act. Be really difficult on your main character. The more broken he or she is in the first act, the more we'll notice the difference at the end. Watch a movie called The Verdict. Watch any kind of war film, right? Even romantic comedies, right? Or watch a film like Kramer versus Kramer, or Meryl Streep and Dustin Hoffman go through this metamorphosis, right? Act 1 is one batch, if you will, of broken people, right? And then in the first act, the character has to want something, right? What do they want? Not saying they get it in the film, right? Luke Skywalker, what does he want? Right? He wants to be treated like an adult, right? He wants to go on adventures, and so be it. Legally Blonde was Witherspoon want. She wants to go prove to her boyfriend that she can be a lawyer, right? And so all these character arcs stem from the main character having a goal, but not necessarily by the end of the film it's that goal, right? And then list 3 events that altered the character for better or worse, irreversibly changing his or her perspective, thinking, and actions. So this is your movie. The paper is about your original movie, starting in your head. The beat sheets, you kind of put the story fragments together, and now you're the first act anyway, and now you're doing a character paper on just the main character, and it could be 2 pages. I've written 10, 11 pages on the main character. So watch this film and report on it, and maybe at the end of the semester we'll watch my shorts and you can report on that main character, right? So let me know what you need, and I'll give you back your beat sheets this week. And if you need to adjust them after you do your character, that's fine too. And if you need to adjust them after I give you notes, that's fine too. So the discussion here by Wednesday is exactly this, and then the 2-page paper by next Sunday evening. Now, next Monday is a holiday, so I'll give you till Monday evening to do these, because you, by rule, almost by the administration, if there's a holiday, we're supposed to respect that. So this is due Monday. This is due Wednesday and Monday. Okay. Plow on.